Alright guys, you see this beautiful tree you see right here? It's one of the biggest trees that we have there in the park. And also, this tree is native to Africa. It's the biggest in their continent. The tree is known as the K-pop. The scientific name for it also is known as La Ceiba pitandra. On the coast of Honduras, there's a city that's named after this tree. It's the first stop when you reach to the coast of Honduras. It's known as La Ceiba. It's one of the best stops as well. These trees, one of those trees they have in their park. It's the biggest one they have there. They named the city after the tree because the Paya Indian used to use the tree for worship. They used to dance around the tree, and also they believed that whenever they died, the soul used to go up to the tree. Also, this tree grows up to 200 feet high and 10 kilometers. Besides the K-pop tree, is also known as the love tree. You see the two trees that join together?
Yeah.
What did the boss say? Well, it looks more like a bad matrimonial tree. Sometimes they're good, next time they're bad. Sometimes whenever I have like a couple, love couple, they're standing along here with the tree. Hopefully that the love will go along with the tree.
So if you touch the plant, it falls asleep.
Come on, boo-boo. Come on, babe. Come on, I'll help you.
There's a skull on one of the things, and over to the right.
¿Cuál es el precio? El precio, mira, de Coxine Hall. Que serían $2. Yo le digo $2. Tiene que ser $2. Gracias. Nada.
What?
See that one on top? Oh yeah,
The right of the skull.
He's right here at the
Oh, I
cactus
see
garden.
it. Okay, yeah.
Oh yeah, you can tell.
Nice and cool.
Oh, that's very cool. AKA chicken bridge.
Yeah.
That's why it's called the chicken wall.
Ah.
This is
I
also
get
a
it.
chicken bridge. As you go across, you have to do the chicken dance. You have to make it look good. Next thing, the swing bridge. There's the maximum weight. 5 person at a time to go across the swing bridge. If you're slow, you shake the bridge. So you gotta keep
Oh.
going. Keep going.
Okay.
Next thing, no falling off the bridge, guys. If you do, you're on your own.
Oh no.
How?
Yeah, you're on your own.
It's 20 feet deep?
Okay.
No, it's 20. Lake depth 20 something.
3 feet.
No, the length is.
We're going with these guys. Just 237.
Pero es hondo. O es
20 feet
hondura.
is the depth. Okay.
Next thing, guys, once you go across to the other side, the first animals we'll be interacting with are known as the macaws, the big birds. If you one will be out, a couple will be in the cage. The one that you see in the cage, please don't put your finger in there, so you end up with 9 fingers. 2 of them you will put on your shoulders. It's Barney and Joshua. You'll be able to take cool pictures for them. They don't like to be pet because they get nervous and they bit you or to fly off. Remember, folks, no flash. Please remove the flash from your cameras. Your cameras. Because if you do not, the flash unbugs the eyes of the animals. And when they see that, they react. Next, if you do not know how to remove the flash, I can help you with that. The next thing, guys, once you get over to the other side, you wait for me. You don't go wandering off without me because then you'll get lost and then I'll be in trouble. So we all stick together as a group. Are you guys good with the the rules, folks?
Yeah,
5 at a time. Ready.
5 person.
First 5.
Let them go. We'll go second.
Yeah.
We go 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's not bad at all. Oh, I hope I don't fall in my slippers. Oh wow.
Don't do that.
I found that funny, Risha.
It's like nothing's gonna happen, you guys. Look at Claire. She's so scared. I am.
Whoa. Come on, Atish. What's going on?
No, man.
Let's go.
You guys are moving the bridge too much.
She said if you go slow, it moves a lot. You gotta go fast.
Man, the faster I went, the more.
Yeah. Yeah. We were
Oh wow. You get the picture with them?
We haven't gotten them yet.
Oh cool. Yeah. They are big.
Venga.
Here we are.
La primera vez que lo usó.
Oh, is that the bad one? Oh, he's so cute.
He's in training.
Oh. Oh, he's so cute. Hi. Oh, that one? That's the timeout monkey?
Yes. Nino.
Hey. Hey, bad boy. How long do you keep him in timeout?
We keep him there to the evening time when there's no one around. Then they
Okay.
let him down. That's his little home right over there.
Oh, okay. Oh. Oh.
Cámara. Don't grab it, just leave it. Just leave it. Él ahorita está algo cansado porque ha trabajado bastante.
Sí, sí. Oh.
Ok, número, ¿alguien más?
Okay.
Venga, monos. Supa, Steve, dime supa.
Super.
Yeah.
How old is he?
Supa, 6 months. Alright?
Oh.
¿Alguien más?
Oh.
Tired, guys.
Claire, look up at the camera here. Aw.
He's sleeping.
¿Saben por qué? Porque él trabaja más que el otro. Porque los otros andan libres. Cuando en casa suben arriba.
Y hay quien los baje.
Sí, cuando tienen paz. Y él no, él como está con esto, lo estamos entrenando con esto, todo el tiempo. Él sí tiene que trabajar más.
Dale, Frankie.
Ok.
Aww.
He wants to go to sleep.
He's tired. He's sleeping. Kimmy, look at the guy here.
Tired.
Oh,
You sleepy, Papa?
yeah, he's sleeping.